Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, I'm your science teacher. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, today I discuss with you Chapter 8, The Universe. In your last class, I discussed with you cause of day and night, seasonal changes, length of day and night. So, dear students, today I discuss with you the phases of the moon. Please take your science book and open your book, page number 59. So, dear students, let's focus on today's topics. Before I am going to the today's topics, let me tell you about solar system. Do you know? You have already known about our solar system. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a star in a particular path called the orbit. The orbit is elliptical or oval in shape. They do not have own light of their own. You see them shining because they reflect the light of the star round which they revolve, because they are all at different distance from the sun. Each planet takes a different length of time to revolve once. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Dear students, they vary greatly in size. A shortly introduction of the planets. So dear, the 8 planets are moving round the sun. The Earth is such a planet. The planets are generally round. I discuss with you Mercury. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. There is no atmosphere in Mercury. Venus. From the Earth, we find a star in the western sky as the morning star and the evening star, which is in fact not a star. It is the planet of the sun, which is called Venus. The sunlight falls on it, so it looks lighted. Now I discuss with you Earth. Perhaps you know that the Earth is the only planet in which there is atmosphere and temperature necessary elements for the survival of plants and animals in the world. It is the third closest planet to the sun. Mars. Mars looks reddish because its surface is red in color. The surface of it is dusty and there are very light atmosphere there and water may be present as the available reports show. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the Sun. It is gaseous only. It has no solid surface. Saturn. The planet Saturn is made of gas only. There is a ring all around it. You can see this Saturn picture. Here is a ring around the Saturn. Uranus. Uranus is made of gas and ice. Neptune. Neptune is almost a planet like Uranus. Dear students, you have known about satellite. The only one satellite is Earth satellite is Moon. You have known that the planets of the solar system revolve round the Sun. Similarly, the small satellite revolves around the planet. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. So, dear students, you know very well it moves around the Earth. The satellites are smaller than the planets. It cannot produce heat and light. They get light from the Sun. The light of the Sun reflects on the surface of the Moon. So we see the Moon lighted. The Moon takes 27 days 8 hours to round the Earth. The Moon is the attractive object from ancient time. You see that the Moon is not seen in one night, which is called the day of the new moon. The next night a small piece of moon is seen for a while in western sky. The small piece of moon gets bigger every night. So dear students, in your textbook, page number 59, you can see our activity, which is the phases of a ball. What to do? Prepare a bright torch or light bulb to represent the sun, a white ball to represent the moon, like tennis ball or cricket ball. Make a table like the one shown below. Here is 4 columns: position A, position B, position C and position D. Place the bulb or the torch in your room and make the room dark. Set the ball at position A, B, C and D. Observe the surface of the ball at each position from the position E. Note: be careful not to make a shadow on the ball when you observe the ball at position C. Sketch your observation in the table. Share your idea with your parents or brother or sisters. You can see the picture. The ball to represent the moon, position C, position B, position E. The bright torch electric light represent the sun. So dear students, now I discuss with you motion of the moon. The moon is the only satellite of the earth. You know very well. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. The moon rotates on its axis once every about 28 days and it also moves around the earth once every about 28 days. Now I discuss with you the moon in rotation. The moon does not produce its own light. Instead, it reflects the sun's light. Half of the moon is always lighted by the sun, but as the moon orbits around the earth, the area of the lighted side facing the earth changes. These changes cause the phases of the moon. We can only see the lighted side of the moon. When we can see full of the side of lighted, this is a full moon. When we can't see any of the lighted side, this is called a new moon. So in your textbook, you can see a picture, the position and the phases of the moon. I have attached a picture to help you study. So, dear students, you can see the picture, the position and the phases of the moon. So here is, you can see sunset, sunrise, The moon takes 27 days 8 hours to round the earth. The moon is an attractive object from ancient time. You see that the moon is not seen in one night, which is called the day of the new moon. The next night, a small piece of moon is seen for a while in western sky. The small pieces of moon gets bigger every night. After 2 weeks, the moon looks like a plate, which is called full moon. The moon begins to get smaller from the next night of the full moon. Thus, after 2 weeks, in any night, the moon is not seen at all. We can see the new moon and the full moon after every 29 or 30 days. Dear student, why does it happen? You will know this answer. Although the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth, more than 2,500 satellites sent by man are moving around the earth. These are called artificial satellites. The artificial satellites are sent in order to collect the information of wireless, telecommunication, weather and others. Other planets have natural satellites like Earth. So dear students, you can see new moon, then next day works in crescent, first quarter, works in givers, then warning givers, then last quarter, then warning crescent. So here is the position and the phase of the moon. So dear students, no more today. Please note down today's homework. I hope all of you have finished your writing. Okay. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.